Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to talk about heat treatment. Heat treatment is the process of heating the metal, holding it at the temperature and then cooling it back. Heat treatment techniques include annealing, tempering, normalizing and hardening. The safety while using this machine is we need to wear heat resistant clothes, gloves, safety glasses and face shield. Make sure you're always outside of this hazard area. First, we need to make sure the machine is in the good condition and is safe to be used. Check the environment and the surrounding of the machine. But the most important is we need to have good or enough knowledge to how to use this machine. First, switch on the isolator and the main switch. This is the main switch. Okay. Next, open the valve of nitrogen and hydrogen gas on the bottom of the panel. Next, we turn on the heating switch and set the furnace temperature that we want. It can go to 500 Celsius. Next, turn on the heating switch and pump on the panel and set the temperature for oil tank. We use oil as a quenching medium because oil is more gentle than water. So this step is needed to make sure that the oil is non-sticky and making the oil more effective when it gets heated. After the furnace reach the temperature that we want, put the specimen into the furnace and then close the furnace back for heating process. Let the specimen in this furnace for 5 minutes. After that, we turn on the selector, switch off nitrogen, turn it for nitrogen and here for the time that we want, and then let it stay for 5 minutes and switch off the nitrogen gas. Repeat the same step like nitrogen, but this time use hydrogen gas, this H2, and turn the selector for hydrogen. Finally, open the furnace and then pull down the box until the specimen fall down into the basket in this oven. Let the specimen for a second and then we can pull up the basket and take the specimen out of this furnace. That's all for me, thank you.